Boeing seeks to withdraw guilty plea in 737 MAX case. Boeing is pushing to withdraw its guilty plea regarding the 737 MAX crashes. The company faces scrutiny for allegedly deceiving regulators before the tragic incidents. This move aims for more lenient treatment from the current Justice Department. The case has been a significant focus since the crashes of the 737 MAX jets. Boeing's efforts reflect ongoing legal challenges and corporate accountability issues. Stay updated with our latest news and insights.